Hi, I'm Rashmi Agdekar and you're watching Bollywood Live. Today I'm going to reveal some set secrets from our set of Intern Season 2. All three of us, me, Asas and Revati, I think one of the reasons we bonded so well was because of food. So all our lunch breaks, whatever we used to bring from home, it's because of food. So yes, I would say all three of us are foodies. So initially last season it was Asas, but then it turned out to be Revati this season, because last season में Revati एकदम ऐसे सीधी सादी लड़की थी, but now she has become like this brat, and yeah, so I think now she irritates me equally, but I love it. I don't have any complaints about it. There was nothing in particular that I didn't like about our script. It's just that we kept on working towards making it better and exploring possibilities as to how we could make a scene more relatable, or our characters take them a notch up. So I think and this is like pretty much the procedure at the process at TVF and Girliappa. They are extremely collaborative when it comes to these things. So yeah, that was about the process. I would say every single time I was working with these girls, I mean, scenes wherein all three of us are there, not just like मैं अकेली हूँ या किसी एक के साथ हूँ, वैसे नहीं. जब कभी हम तीनों होते थे एक फ्रेम एक सेट पे, I think that was like the best thing, because every single time with every take कुछ नया निकल कर आता था. तो अगर काम को लेके अगर देखा जाए तो I love that process of exploring different things. So yeah, I enjoyed that, and I would say that those were the best moments on set. Both. I met Asas and Revati out of work. I met Asas, I think, at some audition, and Revati in her college fest, and something just clicked, and we became acquaintance at that point. And then when we got to know that we are going to make Interns Season 2 together, there was this instant bond that happened. I mean, Asas and Revati were already good friends because they had worked on Kota Factory, but with me also, I think it just came around so well. And I mean, touch wood, it's one of those friends in the industry that I have who pretty much know everything about me. So yes, I'm close to both of them. Well, our wrap-up party and our after party / parties are still remaining, because three of us are busy with some of the other work still. But I mean, the thing is that we were working on long hours, and our schedules were lengthy. So I mean, we were pretty much tired and sleepy after every day's shoot. So our after party is still remaining. But I mean, the thing is, when you are on a set where it's a party every day, and after party is just like it's fine even if it is not there, because we had fun on set, and that itself was our party. Asas Chana used to give us all the gossip. Then I used to join in, and Revati used to pretty much listen. Yeah, so yes, Asas was the biggest gossip giver on set. I was so not for sure. Okay. Sometimes it was Revati, sometimes it was Asas. Asas, why I'll say, because she works on so many projects simultaneously. Yet every single time she's on time on set. She gets ready on time. Everything. And even Revati, for that matter. I mean, yeah, I think I only must be the one who is not as punctual. But I made sure that I went on set to shoot on time. Yeah, so that way I'm punctual. In terms of energy, Asas has a lot of energy. Okay, she is the most fun person on set, the most brighter, the most funniest person on set also. So yeah, I think it is Asas. Yeah. So Interns Season 2 is, or the Interns are this series made by Girliappa is, it's pretty much made by women. It talks about what women face at their workplaces, in their personal lives, or in life in general, and what they are trying to say through this story is that here are a set of girls who want to change things around, or who want to do things on their own terms, but still not making too much noise about it. So I think this entire process, Khushbu, our writer, and who also plays Sugandha ma'am in the show, all of us, the bond that was created, the way we were working towards something bigger than each one of us, and yet something that is going to be good for us. I think that I'm going to miss a lot from this set, and I think that feeling is something that is always going to stay with me.